It's Tuesday, April 14, 2026. I'm Dr. Deukmedjian. We are performing a Deuk plasma rhizotomy. This is a rhizotomy to destroy a pain nerve in the back of the neck on a patient who travels from the Dominican Republic. He's had neck pain for 3 years, had an injury to his neck, and basically has not found good relief. So he came to Deuk Spine Institute for treatment. We are going to be performing several treatments today. We're going to be doing a Deuk plasma rhizotomy for facet joint pain. We're going to be doing a Deuk laser disc repair to treat a herniated disc causing symptoms like pain. And we're going to treat his piriformis as well. Let's see, we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it's pretty close to where we need to be. Right there. Shot. I would say right in the middle there. All right, if you have questions, feel free to ask. In the meantime, Anthony and Jason, show the audience how facet joints in the neck cause neck pain. How do facet joint injuries cause neck pain? Thank you. Welcome back. You can see how injuries to the facet joint cause facet joint pain. Once the facet joints are injured, they are going to be painful for the rest of your life unless you get it treated. And the best treatment in the world is what we're doing right now. It's called the Deuk plasma rhizotomy. The reason it's the best, it's a rhizotomy which targets the pain nerve, which is what we want to do, is target the pain nerve. But it also is a permanent treatment, whereas other types of rhizotomy like radiofrequency ablation are just temporary. Nobody wants temporary pain relief. Everyone wants permanent pain relief. And it's done safely. We've never had a complication with this procedure. You can see, Jordan, show the audience on the x-ray where that pain nerve lives, exactly where the tip of my probe is. That's right. Sean? Just about done. Any questions? Show the audience the video on how this procedure is performed.
Facet joint injury is a common cause of chronic neck pain. The inflamed facet capsule tear generates pain signals. The best treatment for facet joint pain is the Deuk plasma rhizotomy. The inflamed facet joint pain nerves are destroyed. The advantages with the Deuk plasma rhizotomy is that it's an outpatient procedure that takes 30 minutes to complete, very minimal bleeding and pain after the surgery with immediate recovery and return to work the next day, as well as a 99% success rate and permanent pain relief with a single treatment. For more details, please visit our website at www.deukspine.com or call us at 1